Three, still nothing from Ado Cruz, and Mandaluyong has yet to score in this game, unlike Romero of Rizal.
That explains.
And para sa Rizal, but see this last fast break play completed in the game, and Mandaluyong is still scoreless.
And look at the attempt na naman on the fast break nitong Rizal. Kumbaga, every time na naman, takbo na naman dito yung mga nakapula. That's 4 against 3.
Positioning himself for the corner three and knocking it down is Prince Baraka. Marikina, check that for Rizal.
Corner 3 again. Ooh. It's good para dito sa Rizal.
And Prince Baraka, what a pass by Carlos Cantorna. In the meantime, here is Baraka, the fake. Oh, what a move.
Kanila ng Rizal.
And sorry, Coach Joseph, I have to correct myself. That was Oballes. There you go. Job Andre Oballes of the Rizal Switch Fiber.
Hindi ko nakikita kung paano sila makakashoot if they're gonna go smaller, they're gonna go slower yung pace nila.
In the meantime, slap on JP Magpayo. That's his third. Here's the cross by Baraka. Too easy.
He was on the left side of the board.
As Rizal has a 20-point lead over Mandaluyong. Dorite Bola ng Pinoy, the official basketball of Manny Pacquiao's Junior Ran PBL. Jinky Skin empowering women by redefining beauty. Don Benitos, ang pambansang kasama. Wing Bowl, it's like coming home. Thank you also to Winford Resort. Dynasty Seafood and Hot Pot Restaurant. As we see another pound-for-pound fitness. Parang meron siyang conscious effort to be the BPG of this game. At ayun na naman siya.
Be on top on net.
Right?
Should be, ang kailangan lang natin dito is the consistency. Kung tinawagan mo talaga, tuloy-tuloy yan.
In that last attempt, it's a 35-point lead para sa Rizal Switch Fiber. And continuing his onslaught is Prince Baraka.